Hey, welcome back, everyone. In this today's educational online recording video, yes, here on brilliant.org, I'm going to record some kind of computing level review. As you can see here on the screen, level 2 conditional logic, the final chapter with the green icon here, level review from the course name of Thinking in Python is what I'm going to do today. But before we start, I'd like to tell you that I haven't recorded this like for over a week because I have been having lots of help at home. Yes, lots of help at home, especially with my parents, and we just got into a new settlement recently, but just leave it behind though. Anyway, level review, end of level 2 is what I'm going to present today. So I'm going to enter the session by clicking on this start tab. Please wait a second. Oh yes, sorry. There are lots of problems to get along during this level review. Anyway, I'm going to tell out question by question. This is question number 1. What is wrong with the print statement here? Correct the password. Please inform correctly. Correct the password. Yes, here. I think this option, let's check. That is correct, but why? Okay, I'm not going to read out the explanation because it might be way too long, so just keep it short and brief. You just read it while displaying the explanation and just get along once you've done. Okay, ready? All right, I'll close it now and continue. Right, question number 2, as it is. Fix the program. Oh yes, here. Like this, double equal sign should be correct one. Time to check. That is correct again, but why? I'll close and continue. This is question number 3. What is wrong with this program? It should lock the account when there are 5 or more failed logins. Oh yes, lock the account. Oh yes, it must be second. Greater than means not exactly 5. Let's check. That is correct, but why? I'll close. Continue. Question number 4. Now fix the program. It should lock the account when there are 5 or more failed logins. Only these. So yes, 5 or more, so this. Let's check. That is correct, but why? Close it and continue. Question number 5. What is wrong with this program? Code entered. Wait, is this one? Let's check. Code enter recycle. Oh, not this one. It must be it. Let's check. Luckily correct, but why? Close it and continue. So here. So it should be different between these two. If only not equal, then incorrect recycle. Now here. These two do match, so unchanged. Let's check it. This is correct, but why? Or close and continue. Question number 7. What is wrong with this program? Probably this one. When they do passwords don't match, then print it. Let's check. Uh-oh, not this one. Why is that? Password change. Oh yeah, these line 5 and 15. Just one error that I made, but okay, I'll have to learn from that. Anyway, continue. Question number 8. Fix the program. Don't match. Oh yes, here. No equivalent, don't match. False. And this is true now. It's not false. It should be it. Let's check. Now that is correct, but why? Close. Continue. Just a few more left to go. Question number 9. What is the value of pwd underscore changed when this program ends? Let's see. They do exactly match, right? Lines 2 and 3. Of course, this is true because they do match exactly. Capital P, small a, double dollar sign, small w, number 0, small r, and small d, then exclamation mark, right? True. Let's check. That is correct, but why? Or close. So simple, isn't it? Anyway, continue. Last but not least, the final question in this level review. That is question number 10. What is the value of locked when this program ends? Account is no longer locked, so it's unlocked. Changed, right? So this is false. Let's check. Oh yes, it's correct, but why again? Or close. Finally, I successfully completed this level review. End of level 2, all but one correct, just one error that you just already discovered, but gotta take more lessons of that. Thanks for tuning in. This level review is coming to an end, so I'll click on this finish tab here now. Wait a second. Yes, finally level complete. This end of level 2, right? This green icon just circulating and just picking up that number. How many XP I've gained? 145. That's incredible. Completing this level 2 chapter from this thinking of Python so far. Yes, green icon is about to turn up. Okay, it turns but the number doesn't turn, but that's all right. Not going to repeat that. Continue. Boom. What's that special number here? 20. A rational number for an irrationally long streak. Today is Tuesday. Completed another brilliant or exercise. Just advanced to 20-day streak. Here with a green icon and a perfect lightning bolt. Perfectly displayed. Anyway, continue. Yes, finally, here I am. So back at it. Just completed level review from level 2. So now move a step forward, advance to level 3. The chapter is called Boolean logic, and next lesson is called combining Boolean expressions with the green icon here right now. I'm not going to explain that anymore, but let's return to the home page for now, shall we? So once again, I'd like to tell what this my brilliant.org homepage looks like again. 20-day streak, today complete on Tuesday, after also successive days completion. No need this premium. Yes, last time I record, I was in lower tungsten league, but I haven't tell you that I've advanced to Einsteinium league thanks to perfectly top 5 finish here. But I like to collect more XP to get more lessons done. Here are also the lessons contents that I've done. You can see vector and matrices, algorithmic thinking, scientific thinking, trigonometric functions, complex numbers, and so on. Last but not least, so here's my takeaway as a conclusion. I've previously done brilliant.org, like doing these daily exercise so far, including today as well. I've done that computing, thinking in Python level review. So hopefully you all found that interesting as I'm reaching the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to add a like to this video as always and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I'll be displaying you shortly after this in the end screen. Also, don't miss out my previous video and corresponding playlist that will also show on the end screen simultaneously. So why not stay tuned together for upcoming further videos that I'll be recording more like these in the future. So I'm gonna have to leave this session now because time is up. Bye everyone. See you next time. Okay, end screen. Just wait for the end screen shortly after this.